Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the dark mode colors in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so right now we have our starter site here and we don't have the color switch or dark mode button on our header. So let's go ahead and add that and take a look at the colors that we can customize. Let's go ahead and click on customize and open up the WordPress customizer. All right, once we're here, let's go ahead and click on header and we have color switch. Let's go ahead and drag and drop that over here, well, anywhere you want, and you'll see we have our color switch here, and we have our light and dark mode coming on and off. And let's take a look at our site background. Okay, and that looks pretty good, but we can do better. Let's take a look at the different page, like our About Us page. And experiment with this. Okay, I feel as if this is a bit too dark to read. And when we go over to our home page, you can see that it's super dark. And I find that if we were to have this on even on dark mode, it would be fine if this were white. And over here, it becomes too washed out. So let's go ahead and click on colors. And now we have our global color palette, which is, which is everything here, right? And you can see where the colors change in dark mode. Well, these over here, and where it's brown and stuff over here. Okay, so we can edit things based on this, but since we're focused on dark mode and we just want to make things, it's kind of hard to hit that button. We want to keep this white. Okay, it's fine if this is that blue-green color. Let's go ahead and change color 5 to white. Actually, probably these as well. All right, there we go. We can see some changes. White and white. And if we wanted to make it a bit easier on the eyes, we can just make it a bit grayer. Oh, which one's which? Okay, let's reload that. Okay. We can simply adjust these based on what we want. It helps to know exactly, there we go, which one is which. I don't want it too bright. I don't want it too dark either, or else it'll vanish into the background. And that looks pretty good. And let's take a look at the other things. Well, see here. Now this has completely disappeared in our dark mode. So let's make this black as well. Oh, that's our background for sure. We want it dark. Color 7. That's our play button. Okay. And this, we can make this lighter or black if we wanted to. Might be painful in the eyes. That looks good. And for this, there, we can make these black just to make it stand out. Okay. Okay, that looks a bit easier in the eyes. This one, we made it just a bit too dark. Let's go ahead and make this red. Oh, it follows our background color. Let's make this color. And everything's still legible. And let's take a look at our other elements here on our About Us page. And let's make it light mode, dark mode. And basically what we've done here is, well, change the accent color, but at the same time make our text a bit darker so that it's actually easier to read in the dark. Okay, so once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish. Wait for the changes to save. Okay, let's reload our site. Okay, we now have our switch here. We can switch between light and dark mode. And we can check out our other pages here and switch between light and dark mode, light and dark mode. So there's how you customize your colors in your Blocksy WordPress dark mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.